Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Spinify for CRM Sales Gamification, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with Spinify for CRM Sales Gamification, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Spinify website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign up or get started button, typically located at the top right of the homepage. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password that meets security requirements. Make sure to confirm your password by entering it a second time in the designated field. Next, review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree to them. Click on the Create Account button to submit your registration. Once your account is created, you will receive a verification email. Go to your email inbox and locate the email from Spinify. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Spinify website and log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the Spinify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available options on the dashboard. To set up your CRM integration, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the sidebar. Select the CRM integration option from the Settings menu. Choose your CRM from the list of available integrations. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your CRM account with Spinify. Once connected, customize your gamification settings to align with your sales goals. This may include setting up leaderboards, challenges, and rewards for your sales team. After customizing your settings, save your changes. Review the dashboard for updates on your sales team's performance. This concludes the initial setup of your Spinify subscription for CRM Sales Gamification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.